Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 25th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro is kind of making its way up a little bit today, but for me, it really doesn't look that impulsive, especially with the fact that this right here is a higher low. I mean, it definitely could turn into a 1, 2, 3, and it could go up and break structure. Definitely don't get me wrong, because technically the trend is kind of up, maybe more likely on the weekly and the monthly. But I personally think that if anything, this is probably more likely an ABC correction. I'm watching these Fibonacci levels very, very closely. I'm looking for a double top. I'm looking for a nice impulsive move down. I'm looking for a break of structure to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. The daily time frame technically did turn down. The weekly and monthly are definitely still in an uptrend. So since the daily did turn down, and that is my roadmap time frame, I'm definitely, as of right now, looking for shorts in a downtrend. Unless price goes all the way up and takes out this structure, I'm only looking for shorts, and I'm looking for shorts at the end of three-way pullback. So hopefully this right here will make for a pretty nice setup to go short. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.